If you believe these car tips can save you money, wait until you hear how they actually destroy your car and empty your wallet. Today we are exposing the worst car myths costing you thousands. Myth number 1: changing your engine oil every 20,000 kilometers. Almost every modern car brand advertises oil changes every 20 or even 30,000 kilometers. Sounds good, right? You save money and save time, but the problem is that oil does not stay good that long. By the time you reach 30,000 kilometers, your oil would already lose its protective properties, metal parts in your engine would start to wear faster, and your turbo systems would suffer. Skipping oil changes saves money at the time, but that may result in thousands in repairs after. So better to be safe than sorry. Change your oil every 10,000 kilometers and your engine will thank you. Myth number 2: driving without warming up your engine is safe. Many drivers believe modern engines don't need any warm-up even in winter. They start the car and immediately drive hard. The problem is cold oil. Cold oil is thick and flows poorly. Critical engine parts are not fully protected yet. Hard driving on a cold engine accelerates wear on bearings, pistons, and turbochargers. Damage builds quietly over time. The smart solution is simple. Start the engine, wait about 30 seconds, and drive gently until everything warms up. Myth number 3: premium fuel will make your engine stronger, cleaner, and more powerful. Many drivers believe higher octane fuel automatically improves performance and protects the engine. It sounds logical. More expensive must be better, right? In reality, if your engine is not designed for premium fuel, you gain almost nothing. Modern engine computers simply adjust timing to match what the engine actually needs. You don't get more power. You don't get better reliability. You just burn more money at the pump. Unless your manufacturer specifically requires premium fuel, regular fuel is perfectly safe. Premium fuel won't save your engine, smart maintenance will. Cars don't fail because of bad luck. They fail because bad advice gets repeated for years. Small habits slowly create big repair bills. And most drivers never connect the dots until it's too late. If you want fewer breakdowns, lower repair costs, and a car that actually lasts, stop following myths and start following facts. If this helped you, subscribe for more real automotive truth, no hype, no nonsense.